It is a true fact that plants are like human beings, like us. They feel hungry, thirsty, cold, and hot. They need care the same way we care for our children. They understand our love and care even if they don't talk. Plants need sun, air, and water whether they are in pots or in ground. The plant should be in a place where there is 3 to 4 hours of sun, open space. The best time to get the 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight in the winters is especially between 9 am to 2 pm, and in the summer it's from 7 am to 11 am or more. To start off with the gardening, there are few important things that have to be noted, like what the soil is like, how much digging is required in order to make it rich, how much manure and soil is required. Once you learn about all the operations gardening, it is not hard at all. Let's begin and know what all important ingredients should be present in a soil mixture. Just taking care of these small things make the gardening more happy, so as the plant and even you. एक पर्सनल टच भी देना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. द मोमेंट यू गो एंड यू स्पेंड टाइम इन योर गार्डन, ऑलवेज टच एंड फील द लीव्स. You will feel that they are feeling so happy with your touch. So let's begin and let's see what all to be included in a correct potting mixture. So here is the important ingredients of the potting mixture. First of all, this is the garden soil. This is the bone meal. The next is neem khali. The next ingredient is well rotten cow dung manure. And this is leaf compost. And here comes the vermicompost. If this is not available, you can even take compost that's done from the kitchen waste. And here is the charcoal pieces. These are the bigger pieces. We will be breaking it and we'll be using it our mixture. So here I am just taking 2 parts of garden soil and 1 part of well rotten cow dung manure. We'll be breaking it further. If there are any lumps or something, we'll be breaking it and we'll be mixing it. 1 part of vermicompost or compost, which is from the kitchen waste. Either of it you can take it. And then 1 part of the leaf mold. Why the leaf mold I take it, I'll be sharing its tip in the next video, because ये थोड़ा सा ठंडा रहता है. It's good and it's even good for the aeration for the roots. So that's the reason this is I take it. 1 spoon of bone meal and 1 spoon of neem khali you will be adding is. This mixture I am making for 10 to 12 inch of pot, and even I've broken the pieces of charcoal and I've mixing it well. After we mix it, we'll be taking our pot, which is having 2 holes, or maybe we can do 4 holes at the base depending upon the plant requirement. Since I'm potting sans serre area, so I'll not be requiring more holes. For the well drainage, we usually put 2 bricks, but it's very good to put a 1 inch or half inch or 1 inch of layer, so that, because many times we have seen once you keep on watering it, these holes gets blocked and there is no drainage. Just to avoid that problem, it's very important to make half or 1 inch layer of these broken pots. Now we'll be adding this ready mixture and we'll fill the pot up to 60%, because we'll be leaving a space to pot our plant also. Once we fill the pot to 60%, now we'll be taking our plant which we need to pot it. Can you see its roots were so although it would go well, but I thought let me change it to next pot. So here I'll be placing my plant in the same way, and the sides I'll be filling it with the extra potting mixture. These sides I'll be filling it with my rest of the potting mixture. And when जब हम इसको fill कर रहे होते हैं, we need to press it gently on the side so that there is no air pockets left. That's very important, because अगर air pockets रह जाएंगे तो plants को roots intact हो जाएंगी and it will not grow well. So it's very important to press it and pot your plant properly. And very important to keep the 1 inch of gap also. After that, after you potted the plant, don't forget to shower it and keep it in the shade till it gets settled and stable. So that's all how to make the potting mixture. So I hope guys you like my this video. If you really like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.